Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we are on 111 day of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge, and I hope you guys are following along with me. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together, and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right, so we're in month 4 right now, guys. We have made it to August the 8th of 2025. We're on day number 111, 1111. I'm sorry, 111, right? So go back and watch these videos, guys, to kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And let's go ahead and get right into it, right? If you have no idea what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email platform that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads. And what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets, they allow you to have more than one account. Okay. So you can have multiple accounts. Right now, I have 8 different accounts that I use for this platform. I wouldn't recommend go out and grabbing those right off the bat unless you have the budget. But if you do, go out and grab as many accounts as you have that you can. Okay. And then, that will separate if you get 100 or 200. The more accounts that you have, those accounts that you have are going to have 200 leads instead of the 100 leads. The more accounts that you have, it just basically multiplies your leads based on your accounts. Okay. So just a little bit about My Lead Gen Secrets and about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And you guys can get started today if you want. All right. Now, now the only thing about this traffic is that this is cold traffic. Okay. These people have no idea who we are. Okay. They're not warmed up to our list. They don't know what offer we are promoting. Okay. We have to warm this list up. Okay. This email list. Okay. Once we warm them up, we get them hot and ready. And then they ended up trusting us and they end up buying from us. Okay. That's just how it works. Okay. So this traffic, guys, we're going to have to send out emails consistently until these people can see consistency from us. All right. That's the whole trick here, guys. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. And if you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. But your back offices will look exactly like this. Once you guys get started, your back office is going to look like this. Okay. And then if you come down here, the only thing difference is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. So very easy to follow, guys. This back office is going to look like, anything for anyone else that joins. Okay. We all have the same back office. Okay. So if you come over here to the mailing system, this is where you're going to send out all your emails. So what you would do is you would click on select all. And what that does, it grabs all of the emails and selects them. Okay. So we can get ready to send out one email. Okay. There's a subject line and then there's a body of text and then there's perfect time. And you got to make sure there's a check mark in that. And then what we would do is the offer that we're using from ClickBank is called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. So you can go to clickbank.com and you can go to the Make Money Online section, the business opportunity, e-business, e-marketing section, and grab this offer right here, guys. All right. Now, you don't actually have to promote this offer. You can promote other offers that are on there. But every offer on there, guys, in the business opportunity does have free email swipes that you can use. Okay. These are the free email swipes that I would recommend that you start out with. Okay. So these emails down here, you're going to have 1 through 20. So, which is pretty cool. 1 all the way down to 20. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in every single day and you're going to send out every single email. Okay. Starting with number 1. Okay. All the way down here to number 10 and then up to a number 11 and then down here to number 20. Okay. So pretty much you would grab an email. You have a subject line right here, and then you just match it up with your mailing system. So you control C, like say, for instance, you grab this subject line, okay, control C, and these emails convert like crazy. Okay. They convert really good. So I recommend using these emails starting out if you're just starting out. Okay. And then you come down here to the body of text. Okay, and you make sure perfect timing is included, and then you submit the body of text. Okay, so you come down here, grab all of that text there, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control A, and then Control V. Like super easy, guys. Okay, let's see here, apply. I probably messed that up, but let's go ahead and go down here to where it says signature, and you want to either put in your name or management, whichever one. Hit this link to apply. So what you will want to do is want to turn this into a clickable link. So you just click on this link tab, and then you're going to put whatever your link is. Okay. And your links are going to be right here. Okay. Underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link. Okay. So you can Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, right? And then Control V. Super easy to do. And what you're going to do is take out your affiliate link right here, and you're going to want to put in your affiliate link. Okay. Don't put in mine. Okay. Put in yours. All right. So it can, and then click on OK. What that does, guys, is turns this into a clickable link. Okay. And there's another one at the top. Well, okay. Read here to learn more. You want to go ahead and make that a clickable link, and you want to click on the link tab. Boom, we just copy and paste that in there. We got two links, one in the middle and then one at the bottom, right? And then where it says hide name, we want to take that out, and we want to put in a code here, and we want to address our prospect by their first name. So when this email goes out to our prospect, it transfers the code into the prospect's name. All right. So that way we are addressing them by their first name. Okay. And I like to make this bigger, either 18 or 16. All right. So now this email looks good. It's ready to go. It's saying like, hi, Jermaine. Hi, John. Who wouldn't want to join the largest network in the world, right? Super easy. And then you want to click on here to learn more. Or after you read the description, you can click on this link where it says hit this link. Okay. So those are all call to action buttons. And then you come down here and you click on preview, make sure your ad works, and you click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Legion secret. As you can see, I've already sent out my email today just to get ahead of you guys. That way my emails can go out to all of my accounts. And then if you guys want to get started with this program, I did leave a link below this video. Okay, so just go here to the More tab and then click on this tiny URL, MLJS True Freedom. Okay, it's going to take you to the My Legion secret landing page, and you just come here and click on Join MLGS now, only $1 a day. Like this service is awesome, guys. So I recommend you guys getting signed up. All right. But I just showed you guys how to send out an email. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service, guys. It's just a no-brainer on this traffic to keep this traffic. That way you have unlimited supply of traffic coming in every single day, okay? And it's in the business opportunity niche, okay? So as long as you are promoting business opportunity offers, this traffic, excuse me, this traffic will work, okay? So let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. Let's go to the dashboard. We did send out emails last night. Okay. And this algorithm, this has this algorithm been looking lately, okay? Either every other day or every 2 days. If you guys go back and watch these videos, we've had, every day that we've had a sale, and then it branches off and it, skips a day, skips 2 days. But 2 days is the longest that I've seen it go. Okay. We haven't went longer than 2 days. And those sales are starting to come a little bit closer together. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Okay. We did earn a commission today. We earned a rebuild today. So I wanted to show you where that came from. So let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. And today's the 8th. All right. And we did get a sale. Okay. So let's talk about the traffic. We got that's the social sales rep is the one we're promoting. We got 957 hops, 901 unique hops. These are people that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy. Okay. Today we did get a sale. So someone did take action today and they bought the program. Okay. So, and buying the program is big because you know why is that The person signs up for a free trial. They pay their money for a free trial. And what ends up happening after the 3 day trial, they get billed for the program. Okay. And we earn a commission from them getting billed. All right. So we'll see that sale, I believe, maybe on Monday after the weekend. Okay. Which is pretty good. So we got a sale today. Now, this rebill came from a sale that we got a few days ago because this sale, we did get a sale a few days ago, and this sale would have been paid out today. I believe we were talking about that on like Wednesday or something like that when we got this sale. So it would have been paid out 3 days later on the free trial. So we did earn some money today, which is good because we needed to get the ground running, and get these sales coming in before Tuesday because every Tuesday is when the sales come in, and then that's when they tally up, how much you made for the week. Okay. It goes from Tuesday to Tuesday. Okay. From Wednesday, I'm sorry, guys, from Wednesday to Tuesday evening to Tuesday night at midnight, right? Is when the sales go in and your paychecks go out. Okay, and then they get paid out on Friday. Okay, every Friday. So today I just wanted to show you the results, guys. We did earn a sale today, and we also got a rebill today. So we made money and we got a sale. Okay, these are the days that you want every day looking like. Okay, this is why we're doing this. We're sending out emails every single day. Because we want days like this. We want more consistency in our days. Okay, now this is these results are from direct linking from the offer, okay, and using the affiliate link that comes with the email in ClickBank. So what I'm showing you right now is very easy stuff that you can do to make money online. Okay, now we're going to get like I've been telling you guys in previous videos. Next month, I believe we'll get more in depth, or maybe at the end of this month, we'll get more in depth on and more advanced stuff, squeeze pages, recreating your emails in chat GPT, you letting AI create different email sequence for us. Okay. So that way we can stand out from the crowd. Okay. Because I'm shooting this video here, guys, and I'm telling you what offer to use and what emails to use. Okay. If you're thinking, you're the only one watching this video or you're the only one that knows about this method, guys. And I'm telling you guys to go here and promote these same emails that anybody else can promote. Okay. What makes you different from everyone else? Okay. So we got to separate ourselves. Now it's okay to come in here and send out all of these emails because you know why? There's enough traffic in these lists for everyone to make money. Okay. So you can literally go in here from 1 to 20 and then you're going to make money. It's just, there's no way that you're going to send out 20 emails and not make a dime, right? So just best believe that if you send out all 20 of these emails, you're going to start making money. Okay. And then all you have to do from 20, start back to one, go down to 20, start back to one, and keep repurposing these emails. Okay. So that's all you have to do, guys. That's pretty much it. I left this link below for you guys to get started. And like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. I wanted to show you the results from today. We sent out emails last night. These are the results from the emails last night. Okay, someone signed up for the program. We got a free trial, and we're going to keep rocking and rolling. And I really am not surprised on the results because this is the algorithm. So I can expect a rebuild tomorrow. And then also, like I said, we're in month 4. So someone could be signing up from month 1, month 2, and month 3. Okay. This month. Right. So I'll be looking for those rebuilds coming in tomorrow, next day, and the next day. Right. But I'm going to leave this video on that note. Just wanted to come in and show you guys the results on how we did. We did earn a rebuild and we did get a sale today. So today was not a bad day. All right. And then we are going to tomorrow come in tomorrow. I sent out some emails tonight. Then I'm coming in tomorrow and check those results and see how we did. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one. I'll meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.